Welcome to our charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled in the vibrant heart of Austin, Texas. It's just a stone's throw away from the iconic Domain area. Whether you're here for work or play, our thoughtfully designed space offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience for your long-term stay needs. This cozy and recently updated home is close to everything and makes a perfect home base as you explore everything that Austin has to offer. The home has an open floor plan, complete with a spacious kitchen, living room, dining room, 3 bedrooms, and 2 baths. The primary bedroom features a king bed, while the other 2 bedrooms have a queen bed. The private backyard is fully fenced and features a fire pit along with outdoor furniture. It's a perfect place to relax and unwind in the evenings. Take advantage of high-speed Wi-Fi, an in-house washer and dryer, and all the aspects you need to feel right at home. You have your own private entrance as well as keyless entry. Join us and be our guest. Enjoy this Hestia home, the trusted brand in midterm rentals.